Hey everyone, welcome to your Tuesday Tech Tip. Today on our tip, we have 2 ways that we can filter all that email coming into our inbox and make life easier so we know what to read and what we can put aside. Hope you enjoy. Let's go. Our first inbox tip today is how can we organize our inbox into tabs so that it categorizes the different kinds of email we get and prioritizes what we need to see right away. This is the default view for your inbox. If you'd like to change that, you can go up to the cog right here. You can see it's on default. Let's keep it to default. Let's scroll down to default customize, and you can select tabs to enable. I'm going to recommend that you use promotions and updates and a primary, and keep this, include stars in primary. Of course, you are going to have to customize this to see how it works with you, but this is what we'll do for the demonstration. So we can then see how that changes my inbox. So right away, that reduces the amount of mail in my inbox. These email are directly addressed to this account. If I go into promotions, you can see that all of the Apple Teacher promotional emails are sitting here, and over here, everything else it's an update. So stuff from Apple Teacher, stuff from the Google Classroom that this account is attached to, etc. So that takes a lot of the email that you may be getting out of that primary box. A lot of the Google Currents email that you may be getting will go into updates. You can also enable the social tab, and it may get filtered into there as well. So that's a way that you can reduce and prioritize your inbox so that you can see what's important every morning. For the second part of our tip, let's figure out how we can teach our inbox to filter messages to the tabs. So we can do that 2 different ways. If we have the default customized box enabled, like so, what we can do is we can create filters with certain kinds of emails. So for example, let's just say that my security alerts, I would like those to go into updates at all times. I can select that particular kinds of email. I can go up to the more buttons here, and I can filter messages like these. So it's from no reply to accounts.google. I can create a filter, and I can automatically categorize it. So I can choose a category. I want this to go into updates. And I'm going to apply those filters to all matching conversations that exist right now. And I can say create filter, and those will be now appear all the time in my updates. There's another way that you can use filters. This is a little more complicated in that it takes some thought on your part to decide how you would like to organize your inbox. If you're meticulous in this way, then you might want to start by going over to the right here and creating a label. You may have to click on more first and scroll down to see this add label box. So it's the same thing. You can create a label. I'm going to call my label general stuff I should read, and I'm going to create that label. Now you can see that it appears here. Now you can move this label wherever you like. Maybe you want it to be further up by your inbox. So now you have your label, but there are no conversations in it. So let's just say that since this is stuff you should read, let's create a filter. To create a filter, you go up to the search box up here, and let's just say that you would like everything that comes from Mr. Stepek to go into the stuff that I should read. As well, Mark Peterson sends us important stuff, so let's add him. And Sean Macaulay also sends us important stuff. So all of those email addresses, and let's just make sure that I add a space in between each one. So all these 3 are going to go into the general stuff I should read filter. Once you've done that, you say create filter, and you need to say where it's going to go. So you're going to go here to apply the label, general stuff I should read, and now you create the filter. This way, from now on, when email comes from those individuals, you can click here, and all of those emails who come from those people will show up here. You can create filters like this for everybody and everything, and if this is the way you like to organize your inbox, it is also a good option for you. Thanks for watching your Tuesday Tech Tip. See ya.